Have you ever wondered why some small businesses seem to run smoothly and grow revenue, while others are constantly fighting fires and they're losing clients, even when they're doing roughly the same thing? Now, the truth is, it's not because they have better people or bigger budgets, it's because they can actually see where the time and money are disappearing. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to track in your business, how to track it, and the simple Monday morning habit that stops chaos from eating into your profit. But before I show you what to track, you first of all need to know about the one tool you need that will make you money in week one. And I learned it from something that happened to my neighbor last year. He's a builder. Well, he does kitchens, extensions, and he is always busy. One morning, I see him outside and he's absolutely fuming on his front drive. One of his staff has driven off with the work van, all the tools in it, and just quit. They didn't show up, phone was off, just gone. But the van had the keys to 3 active job sites in the glove box, the client access codes on a piece of paper in the door pocket. The van was his office, login for their suppliers on post-it notes stuck on the dashboard. He spent 2 days driving around to clients, getting new keys cut, resetting codes, calling suppliers to lock all their accounts and stuff. For 2 days, no work, no money, just firefighting. And I asked him, why was all that in your van? And that's most small businesses right there. It's critical stuff. Access to systems, important information, ways that you actually work, just ends up wherever. Information's all over the place. There's no system, there's no documentation. Now, all you need is a simple Google Sheet. It takes a couple minutes every Monday morning, and it'll stop you from losing thousands when something goes wrong. Yeah, that doesn't save me anything now, and you want something more exciting. Let me show you how to get a quick win that will save you money starting today. And I learnt it when I bought something off Amazon. 2 weeks later, still hadn't arrived. And then I remembered I'd ordered something. So I went back and I checked the tracking and it said it had been delivered. Nope, never got it. Called Amazon, got on live chat. They said, according to our system, it was delivered to your address on the 12th. And I said, well, no, I never got it. And they refunded me immediately. No argument, it was just done. And do you know why? It's because they track everything. They know exactly when things go wrong. They know their delivery rate. They know their return rates. And they know when parcels go missing. So when I call and say I didn't get it, they don't panic. They just look at their numbers. They go, yeah, this is within tolerance. It's not an anomaly. It just happens. Here's your money back. Now, most small businesses are the exact opposite. Something goes wrong and they don't even know it went wrong until they get a complaint from their customer. And even then, they don't know if it's a one-off pattern or if it's something that happens time and again. And that's why we track stuff. But what do we track? Well, I learned this from a call with a design agency owner. About 10 people on staff doing maybe 600 grand a year. He said, Duncan, we're not having any tech problems. Everything is working fine. I'm like, great. Humor me though. This week, just count something. Every time someone stops working to deal with a system issue, or they can't find a file, or they forgot a password, or they can't access something, put a tick on a piece of paper and then call me on Friday. And then Friday comes around. Hey, Duncan, I've got 23 tick marks. So we did the math. If each interruption costs 20 minutes, that's 8 hours gone. Now at say £80 an hour, that's £640 a week. That's $30,000 a year, just wasted. And then I asked if the person who set up your website left tomorrow, could you get into it? Do you have control? And that's 4 problems, all invisible until he counted them. They all cost real money every single week. And that's what we're tracking. Hours wasted, real onboarding time, collaboration, chaos. Now, I agree this would take all day, and I don't want to buy tech or spend time doing admin or setting people up on systems to make money. And here's the good news. You probably already have everything you need to do this. If you're using Gmail for email, you've probably got Google Workspace, which means you've already paid for Google Sheets. Looker Studio is also useful here. You're not using them yet. And even if you aren't, it takes a few minutes to get started. So type in sheets.new, make 4 columns. Hours wasted this week, real onboarding time, collaboration chaos, and access risk. And then ask AI to build you a simple dashboard that pulls from that sheet and color codes everything automatically. Green for fine, looking good. Yellow for not great, but someone's on it. And red for actively losing me money. It takes 20 minutes to set up once, and then every Monday morning you just update 4 numbers in the sheet. The dashboard does the rest. Look at anything that's red and ask the 3 questions. What's this actually costing us per week? What is the plan to fix it? What do you need from me? And that's it. You're not solving it yourself. You're just noticing it and making sure someone is. There's no new software for this. There's no monthly subscription for this. Just the Google tools you're already paying for, set up properly once. And you thinking, I'm small, I don't have time for this admin stuff. Well, let me tell you about a consultancy that was doing about 1.5 million a year. 4 partners, 12 people, very successful, very clever, very busy, but no time for documentation. And then one partner decided to go away, off work for like 3 months. And within a week, the other partners realized nobody else knows how anything works. Where are the contracts? What's the invoicing process? How do projects get set up? Where are the logins to these things? All in his head. He's gone on holiday. They spent a month figuring out how to run their own business. They forgot to invoice 2 clients. They lost a contract. They spent a fortune on emergency consultants. And by the time he came back, 3 months later, they'd calculated the chaos cost them even more than the lost revenue and unexpected expenses. What would have taken us a small amount of time to build out this tracking ended up costing a lot of money, but they didn't think they had the time until they didn't have a choice. So here's the thing. You're right. You don't have the time today, right now. You should be selling, delivering, growing, talking to your clients. Not building dashboards and documenting processes, but that's literally what you should be doing. And it's literally why we exist. We'll come in, we build this exact system using Google Workspace that you already have. We train one person on your team to update those 4 numbers every Monday, and then we're gone. That takes us about a day. Costs you way less than 40 grand. And if you want to see what this looks like in practice, you can download it from sixfive.io/resources below, and I'll see you in the next video.